Well, hey everybody, it is John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, and welcome to the J Moore Reviews channel. We've got another great review for you. So we bring you those novelty items as well as the things that you'll use every day in your home or in your business. Hopefully they'll make it more efficient, more profitable. Well, today is not that day. Today we're actually going to do a review for the USB programmable fan microwave. You know, we did the unboxing of it. There's not much that comes with it. You get a little fan here, nice little cable, kind of like a Romex type cable. Get a little instruction booklet, which is kind of nice. And you also get a DVD. Pretty cool. And so let's show you how this works. So we've already preloaded the DVD in there. And so I wish already that they would have had a website that I could have downloaded this for already. I'm not happy. I'm going to double click on that, and I'm going to click on where it says LEB Fan Editor, right there. Okay. And so just looking at the instructions they give us, they say, make sure the fan is connected to the computer while programming the message, so they tell you that. And they don't give you a lot of information. I'm waiting for it to load. I'm going to go ahead and click on the LED fan. I'd recommend right-clicking everyone and running as an administrator, just to make sure it works. And you're going to notice that when you run it, it sounds terrible, no matter what kind of computer you have, because it's a very small DVD they give you, and so it has to spin a lot faster to be able to come up to speed like a regular DVD. Now, some of you probably didn't know, and that's what a lot of companies do to save money. They think they're saving by giving you a tiny little DVD, but it really causes more issues in the long run. I'm going to click on yes. Take a second for that to open. I feel like somebody's snoring here. And I'm going to plug in this fan. Alrighty, it's plugged in. And so what we can see over here is we have our USB fan. So right here we have the message display, we have the opening sequence, the middle sequence, and we have the closing sequence. And it looks like they have different places, and from the instructions they really don't tell us too much. So I can put something in there. I can actually change, it says from left to right. I can go from right to left, up to down, from down to up. I can change the middle sequence from anti-clockwise to clockwise rotation to flash 3 times or remain on. I'm gonna do from left to right for right now. The next one I'm gonna say, check this out. And I'm gonna change this just to be a little more creative. I'm gonna change it to from up to down. The middle sequence I'm gonna put down clockwise rotation, and the last one I'm gonna go ahead and put in from the 2 nearby to the middle. So I basically can have 7 messages. So I guess if you get bored, I can have another message in there like, want to buy me? All right, so now that I've got that in there, I'm gonna go ahead and save my configuration file, because I went through a lot of effort, as you know, to do that. And I will just call it my first fan blast message. That's what I'm gonna call it. Doesn't really matter. All right, so now that I've saved the message, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna click upload. I'm gonna turn on my fan. Turn off the lights first to see what we got. Okay. So we plugged in our fan. We've set up our messages. I could add another message if I want, but one little thing I want to make sure you understand, and they don't actually tell you this, is you have to make sure you turn the fan on. Now, I would think that if you're programming the fan, shouldn't it be taking the, the upload from your computer without it being on? It doesn't. You have to turn on the fan for it to actually be in a mode that can receive once you click on the little button. And now I'm gonna put something else down here. I'm gonna put here, it's time to fly. All right, so I'm gonna go over here and you're gonna see there's another little message over here. See this little icon here? I'm gonna click on that. And you can see right there, now here's something else you can do. You can change the color of it right in here. I'm gonna go and change that to, I don't know, let's change it to blue. This is a terrible thing. Now, my review on this fan, it's mixed. I'm gonna give it a 2.9. And the reason for it is because it looks nice in a pretty package, but it really doesn't toe the line 100%. Let's talk about why not. First of all, the editing software is a joke. When you go in here and you try to actually change the colors, you can't. They say you can, but you can't. It doesn't work. So each one of these lines has a color associated by default, but you can't seem to change it. They also say that you could go into these things and you can edit this so that you could make a heart or shapes or whatever you want, but it doesn't seem to work. So that's one big problem. When you want to reprogram this fan, all you have to do is turn it off. Okay, you'll notice that the fan is off and you'll see there's like a little LED strip over there. All right. So now, let's say I want to put in the message, time to fly today, all right? Time to fly today. And instead of bagels, I'm gonna put there, I don't know, I'm gonna put there pizza. Then, again, making sure the fan is off. You can see the little strip there. Keep an eye on that, okay? Once I click the upload button, you'll see a blue line here, but you're also gonna see a light blinking on there. Watch this now. See the little green light blinking? And there's a blue line here that indicates that it is receiving data from the computer, which is the new program that I'm actually sending it, which is the new phrases. And in less than a minute, it's programmed. All I do is turn on the fan, like so. Time to stay cool. And then it'll go to the next message. Kind of nice. Then we have, check this out. There's another message that I put in there. I wish there were more colors. I think only having that set amount of colors, 7, that's not enough. I mean, this is a very basic fan. I also would have liked to see the ability to upload a graphic so that if I wanted to upload a graphic, it would automatically convert it and put it on there. This is a very low quality LED, to be honest with you. Not a bad product, a little pricey though. For what it does, I think the price tag on this product should be about 10 bucks. It wasn't quite that cheap. It was like under $20. And so, not a great price tag. Again, I think it's a fad. It's nice, it's very easy to use, but the application is just not very practical because everything doesn't work. The other thing that I really hate about it is there's no install program. So if you like gadgets and maybe you want to have something around your office or something that might, catch somebody's idea, this might be a great thing to have at a social party, maybe at a bar or something. I just don't think it's at the level that I expected it to be at. I mean, especially where technology is today. So again, 2.9, it's another fad. I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, and you've been watching another J Moore review. Hey everyone, if you have a product or you have something you'd like me to unbox, you can visit jmor.com, click on the button at the top right to reach out to us and let us know what you have. You'll need to donate it to us as well as pay for the shipping to us. And we'll unbox it, we'll review it. We may even invite you to be on the J Moore Tech Talk Show. So check out our other channels, J Moore Reviews, J Moore Unboxing, and the J Moore Tech Talk Show, because we're gonna have lots more coming to you. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure, if you haven't already, to smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon, and have yourself a great rest of the day.